Hey guys, welcome back to the channel CGR. Today I just wanted to make a quick video on the Malibu. I decided to make this video because there's really not a lot of videos out there on this specific car, especially on anything mod related. So I actually added this to my license plate because, let me show you. So if we go back here on my Malibu, under here, this piece right here, this is the license plate light. And it's very dim. It's not enough. So the one we ended up installing is this one right here. See how it looks? It looks nice. Like from far away, you can't even tell. So I just want to show you, see everything still works. Everything works how it should. You know, my plate could still flap down, so I could pump gas. And so this might be an awkward angle, I know, but this is just all the extra wiring from the actual bracket itself. And these two wires that are right here, they're the ones that lead up to your license plate. So I'm actually glad that that thing was still there. So this is on a 79 Malibu. So this should work through like a 78 through 82 Malibu or Monte Carlo. But so this is the new license plate bracket, the cable, and these two wires that go up here are your factory license plate lights. So from what I could see, and this cable's old, so from what I was trying to see, I was trying to scratch it off because, you know, the vehicle got painted, so it's got a little bit of paint. But one of the wires is more solid black, and this one was like a brownish reddish. So my brownish reddish, I tested it with the voltmeter. It was my 12 volts. So as you can see right here, my red and my black, it's going into the same wiring, just more up there. You could put it anywhere you like. So obviously if you're red, it's gonna go to that tannish, reddish wire. And the black was my ground. And bracket mounts right up. It works just fine. I actually thought I was gonna have to tap into the brake light. Let me show you. So I just turn on my lights. Lights are on. And bam, there you go. And it looks really nice at night. It looks real nice and flush. See? Can't even tell. Your plate still flops down. No interference. And it works just fine. So I got that license plate bracket off of Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link to it, the exact one I got. And it was just a quick little, because I used to think it didn't have a license plate light, but it was so dim, it just, you could never tell. And you know, here where we're at, they'll pull you over for anything. And no plate light is just one excuse to pull you over. I mean, so that's just a quick video on that. I thought I'd share it. Hopefully that helps you out. And if you're into 79 Malibus, G-bodies, please subscribe to the channel. I am going to be doing a lot more stuff to this car, and I will be showing this car more. I still have to make a video showing it entirely. But right now, I just did that. I ended up doing that yesterday, and I forgot to share it, and figured I'd record that to show you guys. Hopefully that helps you out. Please like, share, subscribe. See you on the next video. on our 79.